Proven car sales cold. Calling tips and scripts with AI, AnyBiz. Ever wonder how many car purchases start with a phone call? In the US, where over 17 million cars are sold yearly, cold calling remains crucial. AI has transformed this method, enabling auto salespeople to engage prospects more strategically and accurately. Salespeople compile lists of interested prospects or target demographics and use tailored scripts to introduce the dealership, highlight specials, or invite test drives. The goal is to increase engagement, generate leads, and build trust, essential for closing high-value sales. Cold calling in auto sales involves reaching potential customers with accurate data, handling frequent rejections, and calling at the right times to avoid irritation. Additionally, building a personal connection over the phone is crucial for successful engagement. AI tools like ChatGPT, personalized scripts, offer real-time call suggestions, ensure consistent quality, and provide training feedback, improving sales effectiveness and communication. Cold calling works best during mid-morning and mid-afternoon, avoiding Mondays and Fridays. Seasonal factors, like the end of financial quarters, also influence optimal calling times. Cold calling success tips: prepare thoroughly, build rapport early, listen actively, communicate value clearly, handle objections gracefully, use limited time offers, follow up promptly. AI revolutionizes cold calling in auto sales, automating tasks, enhancing precision, and boosting conversion rates by 30%. Dynamic scripting and AI-driven analytics foster continuous improvement, deepening customer relationships and boosting sales success. AnyBiz leads with AI-driven lead generation, optimizing sales and marketing efficiency. Features: AI analyzes 10,000 data points hourly for strategic interactions. Seamless CRM integration streamlines workflows. Personalization leverages vast databases for engaging messages. Upcoming: AI cold calling. Choose AnyBiz for scalable, AI-powered solutions and revolutionize client interactions for accelerated company growth. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.